Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share me the thing we're looking to Quant. So, it's a relatively new crypto. If I look to Bitcoin price, then we can recognize that the price will fall here to the downside. Um, and this construct is not a stable construct. Yeah, even if you see something like that, there's only a retest. Yeah, the retest could go in these levels here, 43,000, or we could go to 45,000 levels. So let's look to Quant. To understand the Quant, yeah, before we analyze this, we have to analyze Bitcoin price. Yeah, you can see we have something like that, and we can recognize that we have here a good support level at the Bitcoin price at the 32,000 levels. So you can see one time, two time, three time, the price is going here to the top side. Let's look to Quant. You can see 20th of July, this was this year. We're looking back to Bitcoin, 20th of July, we see that the price is rising to the top side. So the base is here, and the base here is $66. $66. So I think we will come back to $66, and we will see, I would say, if this our trend line to the top side, we have here a megaphone pattern, then we will see something like that, the price will smash to the downside. And if the price is coming to $190, then we will see a retest of this and a smash to $66. So now we have the problem, we have no history here. So if we have no history, we are looking to Bitcoin price, and you can see what the history we have here. You can see that the price is coming from very low to the top side. So I think we will go here back. So that we could say that here at $66, we have no fundamental base. Yeah, so I think in my eyes, this is very difficult if you have no base to predict. Yeah, because if you look here to the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin is clear. We will fall to 10,000 or something like that. Yeah, you can see we have here a good average price. So long term, you can see we stay between 17,000 and 2,000. The average is nearly 10,000 or 8,000. So this is clear, 8,000. And if you look here to this levels, this area here, this area is the same as here. So if the price falls to the downside, then we have a really problem at Quant. Yeah, so I think we have a little bit energy to the downside, so that I think if I zoom very big, that we could go, let me check, we could go in direction of a 10 or $20. Yeah, hard to say, but these are the facts, um, because this is not a stable situation, especially if something goes from $180 to 500. This is not a normal structure. Yeah, for the future, no problem. For the future, we can take this, yeah, and say, okay, we have a um, good rising here, so that we could go something like that to the top side. Yeah, so I think after fall, we will see something like that. The price will go to 600 or 700. So that we could say nearly, yeah, but we have to fall first to these levels. Then we could say, okay, after the fall, we could see something like that. And from the timeline, you can see uh, December at the beginning of 2022. But this was only a projection. In my eyes, the really rising to the top side will begin at the beginning of 2022. so that we could see something like that, that the price goes sideways, yeah, 6 months or 7 months, and after that the price could rise to the top side. But forget this, please. If you want special analysis, come in the Wolf Exclusive Club. First, for us is important that the price uh, get here a stable situation, especially if you look here to the fall, then you can recognize this is not funny. If something falls from 400 to 260, and these are over 140 points to the downside, and this is fact. The price will fall more to the downside, but we could get here a retest of this area, so I think we could see here maybe 350, and then forget. After that you can forget this quant. I think we'll see if you want this exactly. Something like that is possible. Yeah. The price will fall to the downside, and let's check what happened. So Bitcoin, let's look. So I think we have the situation that we could test this here or here, but in the end of the day, the price will fall to the downside. And I think we have here, let's look, a very bad situation that the price will fall to the downside. And let's see in the next days what's happening here. But the fact is we will see something like that, and then the price will fall to the downside. So if you want more analyze, please come in the Wolf Exclusive Club. And if you want that I make everyday videos regarding quant, please write me this in the comment field so that we can focus us to quant. But I think it's a relative new crypto, and is also a good opportunity for you if the price falls to 71 or lower, that this is one of the gems that we could observe here, because look here, it's going from $66 to 500, so this has potential of, I think, long term. So have a nice day, see you later, and I go to the next crypto. Let's see what Bitcoin makes here. The bit price is falling. Have a nice day.